Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the tensions in the rank quest in Heartopia. So in this Call of Wheels event week 4, there is a new quest like this, the tension in the ranks like this. And first you just need to talk to Rory. Just talk to Rory, this one that located on the Willfall Canyon, and then just tap on the quest. Like this, and then in here you need to find the most prominent mark on the whale skull and take a photo of it. Just follow the guide over here, this area, and like this, and then next just go back to Rory. Tap the quest. And then in here you need to submit the mineral essence to Jiyoon. So just go meet Jiyoon. This NPC, and then just talk to her. And then next just submit this mineral essence, and then just submit. And then you will get the mineral essence like again. And then next just find Naga. Just find Naga, this NPC, talk to him, and then just submit the mineral essence like this. Like this, and in here you will get the explorer certificate and another reward tile like this. And then for the next quest, you just need to complete at least 30% of the samples for the collection box in front of your home. And then for this tutorial, to complete this quest, I will make it in another video, so just check on another video in my Heartopia playlist. Okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!